Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I want to show you this week's trade of the week, a trade that most members don't want to take. Many traders don't want to take a trap trade, and we were trading the PPI, one of the most volatile reports of the year. You could see our setup. We had a trap trade, which means we're going to put two orders above the current price, two orders below the current price. And the idea is it's going to pop up or drop down, and we're going to buy if it goes down, and we're going to sell the market if it goes up, and we're going to make our money on a change in direction. It's a reversal trade. You could see the price shoots down, and now it's going to pop up very quickly. I'm going to bring my targets down right there so that I could grab a profit, which I do very fast. There's my profit, take my stop to safety, plus a few more ticks. Now, if the price keeps going down, it takes me out of the market with a profit, not too bad. And if it would have kept going up, it would have been a continued reversal trade for significantly more money. As it was, I made over $200 on that event in about 30 seconds of trading. That's our trade of the week for a couple of reasons. Most members, they get very worried about taking that trap trade. They don't want to be in an event, in a trade where they're waiting for the price to change direction. Now, we study these reports. We know that they are going to change direction. And most of the time, that's exactly what they do. And this report did not let us down. There it goes. Here it goes up for a change in direction. Took my profit. Bingo. And then it pulls back down. We're out of the trade for a very nice profit. The PPI, a very volatile, important inflation report, is our trade of the week this week. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. Make sure you join with us. We have an on-demand challenge that you can sign up for. All sorts of different ways you can join us. We have a July 4th sale is still active. So let me know, read your email, all sorts of offers. We want to see you in the trade room, trading the way that we do, making money with us and our members. Making mumbers with us and our mumbies. Making money with us and our members. Thanks, everyone. It's been a long morning, a little bit tired, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care, folks.